Hello and welcome to day number, let's say, a couple of numbers. I just beep out the ones that are wrong. Number 9, and day number. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be one of those days. We are now left the hotel. Actually, we managed to get out kind of early today. It was 20 past 10. So that's something new. Usually we hang around till 11. No wonder that we don't get anywhere. Yes, but today's plan. We go back into the mountains, take the really small roads, and then hopefully make it to Mount Olympus. Should be just 470 kilometers or something. But that's more than we did the last days, and it's gonna be on really small roads with the white asphalt, which is really slippery in some places. So I'm not sure how high we can keep our average speed. And it seems like Teemo is really tired today, so I guess we're gonna need a lot of brakes as well. I think I have to wait for him now because we passed by the place where we had lunch yesterday, and after that we soon should turn right up into the mountains. Anyway, that's it for now. Check the map. See you later. Yeah, I think I lost Teemo. I don't know, is he behind or in front of me? That's what happens if you drive in front of the navigator. I missed the exit for a little small road, and then I had to stop a couple of times to navigate myself. And I don't know if he, in the meanwhile, passed me on a little small road. Let's make sure I'm on the right road. Yes, I'm on the right road. Let's call him. Seems like not many people use those roads here.
I walk this world with broken toes from my missteps and towards your soul.
Must be the other way. But where do we go here? I don't know. I guess we go to the right, but let's be sure. Yeah, let's say it's the right. Or am I? Okay. That's why TomTom wouldn't let me go up there. The Google Maps says this way. It's a gravel road.
I don't know what happened there, but there's asphalt up there. How long that is a gravel road?
You mean that asphalt?
Yeah.
Maybe it's falling down.
Yeah, but that's why it's gravel road. How long is it gravel road? It says asphalt up there.
I don't know. I think we can also go straight and to the right.
But this goes in the wrong place. The phone.
On my phone the right road goes back to that road. But looks like on an even smaller road. As you can see, we decided to take the small road. I like to say, every bike can be an adventure bike. Just has to be stupid or brave enough. Take the other road! Maybe.
I'm just thinking that is there a paved road ahead?
Huh?
I'm just thinking is there asphalt ahead?
I don't think so.
How bad is that?
Let's take the other road.
Everything goes out.
No, the... We take this road here.
Oh, it goes around.
This one looks like it's going up there, and then we can take this one here.
So this one is the road has been flat like down, and that other one goes around.
Yeah. Okay, we are not stupid enough for this shit.
My way, breaking every bone. Now I see all these aches and make you grow. And every fall has a rise, every burn has a flame. From foolish to wise, we all bruise the same. I got these growing pains. When the storm wind blows, I'm the weather vane.
Okay, now I'm really confused. Where did Temo go? There's a road leading back there. But if Temo took the other road, he should come around here. I can hear him.
Really want to do an adventure? Let's go up that road. Those roads go nowhere. That's why there's nobody here. Maybe. If we take the road. Yeah, the road. Let's do an adventure and go see where it goes. Let's check the satellite picture. Huh? Check satellite picture. That's all gravel. Really? How far? I don't know.
Okay, we decided to... It's time to turn around. We brought the wrong bikes. So back to drama it is.
More drama it is.
What?
More drama it is.
Was a lot of drama now, yeah?
Not yet.
Yeah, we are back on a main road between... On the way to Drama, and then we continue to Ceres. I don't know why we try to avoid those roads here. They're not so bad. Hello, police. Don't follow me. Ah, was that a fox? Ah, now we have a Greece police car in front of us. I don't know what to do. Speed limit is 90. He's doing 110. Hanging his hand out. Doesn't really seem bothered by us. Does he tell me to drive by, or is it just airing his hand? I think it's just catching the wind with his hand. I think he's waving me by. Phew. This is where I hope that he doesn't follow me. It doesn't look like it. Okay, Greece police is awesome. It's official. Doing 110 in a 90 zone and they wave you by. Like, come on, buddy. Go a little faster. Yes, there you can see Mount Olympus. And It's raining up there, so we kind of take a rest day today and stop riding at 4 o'clock. Gonna go to the hotel, check in, eat lunch, and maybe if it clears up we maybe take the bikes up to Mount Olympus without any luggage. That would be kind of nice. If not, then it says there is no rain tomorrow and no clouds, so that should be then a perfect day to go and check it out. So that's maybe it for today. I will be back in case we ride up Mount Olympus. Anyway, if not, thanks and goodbye.
A few moments later.
I guess we just witnessed an accident.
Do you need us for this?
What? Sorry?
Do you need us for this because we saw the thing?
I'm going to fix a picture. Oh, you have a number here? I don't think we're going to have a problem.
Okay.
Stop.
Yeah.
Yeah, went right in the back. And it's raining, if you haven't noticed. Time to find the hotel.